What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 best electric scooter for 300 pounds man of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. So what are the price, performance, and particular use? For more information on the products, do I have to include the links in the description box below, which is updated for the best prices? Like the video, do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1, Razer EcoSmart Metro Electric Scooter. The Razer EcoSmart Metro is a 500W rear-wheel drive electric scooter with a sit-down design and large, electric bicycle-like wheels. Having twice the horsepower of most commuter scooters and the added traction and control of the rear-wheel drive, it provides plenty of power for even very hilly and bumpy roads, making it one of the best electric scooters for commuting. We love the extra-wide seat, large footrest, and simple controls, and found the disc hand brake responsive and effective. The EcoSmart's eco-friendly battery pack does have a shorter per charge travel range than many models at 40 minutes or 12 miles, but for average city commutes and around town shopping, it should be more than sufficient, and its cargo carrier makes it especially great for small shopping trips. Add in an extra powerful engine, smooth, easy, relaxing ride, simple, easy-to-learn controls, and lightweight but durable build, and with a 220 max weight load, it's a great go-to choice for an electric scooter with a seat for tall or heavier adults. For other similar options, have a look at the best electric scooters with a seat, as well as a cargo carrier. Easy to learn, sturdily built, ultra-comfortable, with a high top speed and powerful rear-wheel drive, making it the most well-rounded, user-friendly option available. Pros: 220 pounds max weight load, 500W engine for great horsepower, rear-wheel drive increases traction and control. Cons: fairly low 40-minute travel time per charge. Number 2, Segway Ninebot Max folding electric scooter. The Segway Ninebot Max is a foldable electric scooter with an extra powerful 350W engine and a top speed of 18.6, making it one of the faster, lightweight foldable electric scooters. Its powerful battery is capable of up to 40.4 miles of travel per charge, and we appreciated its numerous modern features like cruise control, mobile app connectivity for iPhone and Android, and a small LED display. Its lack of a dedicated suspension may result in a slightly less smooth ride occasionally, but the overall build quality is high enough to mitigate this in most road conditions. For a very portable electric scooter with good horsepower, extremely impressive battery strength, and a very durable build suitable for heavier riders, it's a go-to choice. Compare this model to the best folding electric scooter that has a 250W engine. A slender build with modern features and a generous weight limit combined with an extra powerful motor and very impressive per charge travel length make it a winner. Pros: 350W engine power, maximum ride of 40.4 miles per charge, 220 pounds weight limit. Cons: lacks suspension. Number 3, Joyor X5S electric scooter for heavy adults. The Joyor X5S is a 500W foldable electric scooter. It has a top speed of 15 miles per hour, and its battery provides 40 minutes of travel per charge under optimal conditions and 31 miles under normal conditions. Its light 33 pounds build makes it among the lightest scooters with a weight capacity exceeding 220 pounds, while its extra safety and comfort features like switchable cruise control, a powerful front LED safety light, and extra-large 10-inch pneumatic tires make it up-to-date in terms of technology. Though it has enough power for most commuters and recreational uses, the slow charging time of up to 7 hours may not suit all riders. But that aside, for larger riders looking for a powerful, sleek, ultra-safe scooter with many modern features, it's a very solid choice. Another modern model that also offers a low cost of operation is the Best Gas Scooter. It's got a sleek, clean appearance, a powerful engine, extra-large wheels, and a super lightweight one-step folding design that maximizes its portability. Pros: 265 pounds weight limit, front wheel shock absorbers, 31 miles per charge. Cons: large capacity battery charges slower than many, relatively high price point. Number 4, IGlion Dolly electric scooter for heavy adults. The IGlion Dolly is a 250W electric motor. It has a top speed of 15 miles per hour, and its battery pack provides a range of 15 miles per charge. Its airless, never-pop tires and rear anti-lock brakes are made with safety in mind, and its light 26-pound foldable frame, built-in rolling wheels, and luggage bag make it a great choice for weekend car trips and air travel, making it one of the best electric scooters for adults. The lack of front suspension means it doesn't provide as smooth a ride as some models. But its relatively generous horsepower, portability, safety features, and overall high build quality make it a great all-around choice for average-length commutes at a relatively modest price point. Other affordable models are the best electric mopeds that will do an average of 12 miles on a single charge. Very portable and lightweight but sturdy and easy to drive, with enough horsepower for hills and enough battery power for street-legal recreation and commuting alike. Pros: 250W engine with 600W top-end airless tires for flat free riding, luggage bag and mini wheels for travel. Cons: rear suspension only. Number 5 Swagtron SG5 Swagger scooter. The Swagger 5 High Speed is a 250W electric scooter that boasts a top speed of 18 miles per hour and can take steeper terrain than many commuter models, up to 20-degree inclines depending on rider size. We appreciated its light frame and modern touches, like mobile app connectivity for both iPhone and Android, and its heavy-duty tires ensure a fairly smooth ride over speed bumps and similar road features, but the high weight carrying capacity of 320 pounds was even more impressive. With a maximum ride length per charge of 6 to 11 miles, its battery isn't quite as efficient as some models on the market. However, its stylish appearance, modern features, extra speed and power, and super strong frame make it the best electric scooter for heavier adults. Compare this to the best 50 cubic centimeters scooter that has a weight capacity of 225 pounds. Packs tons of power and speed into a law-compliant 250W motor and has a high maximum weight capacity, 320 pounds, with a stylish and head-turning frame. Pros: top speed of 18 miles per hour, high 320 pounds carrying capacity, can take inclines of up to 20 degrees. Cons: shorter charge than many at 6 to 11 miles. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.